I love to insert in my presentations video, and I see people's attention raised, and it's so simple to do with PowerPoint. I will go now into Insert, and here we can insert videos. There are 3 forms of videos that we can insert. The first one is from my own PC, that is to say device. I select the video and now I can already play it. For the second way to insert a video, I go into Microsoft Stock Video and I'm looking for something like mountain. I select that one and insert it. And now I can already play it. The third way to insert a video is really interesting because it allows us to go and pull videos from internet. For this we need the link to the video. I took one that is on YouTube here and I can simply insert it. That's it! It's so easy to insert videos in PowerPoint.